Okay, what's up, guys? So what we're doing is we're still gutting Honey Bun's room, and as you can see over here, there was no insulation in this part of the wall. This is one of the interior walls, and this is an exterior wall. So in about 2011, I blew some cellulose insulation in the exterior walls, and I used the dense pack method. I really want to leave the lath up here. I think that if I was to take the plaster, I took the plaster off, but now that if I take the lath off, I think that the cellulose insulation will fall out. So um, I am going to find out if the dense pack insulation holds itself in there. This side over here, bottom to top, and the insulation, the cellulose, dense pack stayed in there. Okay. Then I did over here, and I started from top to bottom, and the top part of the insulation fell out as I was working down. Then I decided to get I guess it's like that plastic wrap that you use to that they wrap the trucks with at Home Depot. And so then from then on, I went from bottom to top, right, and had success. But what I noticed is as I was going, you would see some little bit falling. So it's like, so would I do this again? If I already had cellulose dense packed in there, I probably would not take off the lath uh, in order to get directly to the stud. I think I would just take the plaster off and leave the lath on there and just screw the sheetrock to the lath, and to the beams, and let the lath stay sandwiched between the sheetrock and the beam. It's probably what I would do. So I wouldn't do that again. This side over here, I'm leaving the lath there, and just gonna put the sheetrock on top of it.